Good morning, everybody. We are here Friday morning, 77 degrees, sunny, looking beautiful outside. We got Nick F first in the chat today. What's going on, Nick F? He already knows. Let's get started. Let's do it. James Earl Jones, what's going on, man? John J, James Earl, Dark Matter 521, JJ Camacho, OG Bape, how you doing? Pika Power, good morning to you. Elias, good morning as well. What would you recommend starting a YouTube channel? I have Doge and Shiba tokens. I have family who don't do nothing all day. They're my team. I can put... Hey, Elias, if you want to put some videos together, man, put some videos together. Absolutely, man. Give it a shot. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. No, man, if you like it, if it sounds like something you're going to have fun doing, I say, why not, man? Give it a shot. F-I-R-S-T, Samanino, first in the chat. Yeah, right, man. Let's go see what the market's doing right now, guys. We got AMC top left sitting at 15.16 right now, 0.63% higher on the day. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1088, up 2.78%. We've got GameStop sitting at 138.19 right now, up 1.46%. QQQ bouncing off intraday highs, sitting at 290.82 at the moment, up 1.45%. Beautiful day for the NASDAQ. We get the NASDAQ 11,407, sitting on some massive gains for the day, but the same deal as QQQ bouncing off the intraday high there. We're going to see if it can fall back down below this little level right in here is pulled up as support. So we're going to watch that there. GameStop, like we just said, sitting up 1.26%. The BR Therapeutics up 2% on the day, 72.28 at the moment. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all higher. Bitcoin bouncing off $21,000 this morning. Really having a good day despite all of the inflation data and everything that's plaguing the crypto market. Sundial sitting at 32 cents, down 2.19%. Mullen Auto, $1.09, up 3% on the day. CEI, 3% higher. The SPY sitting at 1.70% higher, 384.30 right now. BBIG sitting at $1.04, up 1.96%. Highcroft Mining, $1 flat. Highcroft Mining, man, really needs to bounce back so AMC can get back into the green on that one. Netflix sitting at $184 right now, 5% of the day. Redbox down a whopping 9% to $4.29 right now. Man, if you look at the daily on Redbox, it has really given back these massive gains that it had. Beginning of middle of May, it was sitting at $2.50, rode all the way up to $18. Massive gains there, and has since given back almost all of it, sitting at $4.29 right now. We got Clovis sitting at $2.21, giving back those daily gains that it's been having, but nonetheless still looking okay on that daily chart there. It's just even have a very tough week over the last week. Box hitting at $1.77, down 3.28%. We have Revlon sitting at $5.75 right now. Luna Classic back above the 10,000 point per coin level. Luna Classic was above 11,000 points per coin this morning, currently sitting at 10,720. Then we get the QQQ, like we say, sitting at 29.97 right now. Man, it cannot drop below this little level of intraday support here, really holding up. And it looks like it's going to retest the intraday high here. We're going to see what happens there. But we've got JJ Camacho, man. Thank you for the super chat. Hey, Clay, what external wallet would you recommend to use for crypto and just store it away without erasing? I mean, Ledger is probably the way to go. Ledger and Trezor have both been around for a very long time. And it depends on what coins you want to store, right? But I would check out a Ledger wallet, man. They're one of the bigger names in the space. So if you're interested in any sort of an external storage, like a cold storage wallet, that would be where I would start looking. Pika says, Bucky, what's going on, Bucky? Bucky is, a.k.a. Mr. Simoninho. Oh, yes. And not a bad day at all today, guys. I was hoping that we would see AMC up above that, or up around that $16 range again. It's currently sitting at 15. It's a red candle because we're a little bit lower than where we opened, but we are higher than yesterday's close. So as we can see, if we put on these traditional candles here, we would be able to see that it is a green day overall because we're higher than where we were yesterday, but really bouncing back and forth between the $16 mark and this $14.50 mark. We need to see some gains, and we want to see a breakout of that $16 mark if we expect to move higher from there. But these candles are a little harder to see, so we're going to move back over to these. Even though it shows red today, it's still a green day because we are above yesterday's close. So good looking on that one. We'll watch and see how it plays out. But overall, decent Friday so far. Man, you guys are quiet. Don't be quiet. No sense in that. Hey, bro, how is you? Sam Demand number 2. I is good, man. I is good. How are you doing today, Sam? Hopefully you're having a good morning so far. Already 11:56, man. I feel like this morning is going by really quick. I know we just started the live stream, right? But feels like this morning has been going by pretty quick for me. I don't know about you guys or if you're experiencing the same thing or not, but it does seem like it's going pretty quick here. And GameStop, you know what? I haven't looked at a daily chart on GameStop in quite a while. I do want to see what GameStop's doing with the NFT marketplace out there, the dividend that they've got going on, or the dividend split that they're doing. I haven't seen a daily chart on GameStop and I don't ever know where these symbols go on this watch list. Okay, so major resistance levels being met on GameStop here. Gotcha. That seems, it's good to know. It's good to check out a daily chart every once in a while. But running up higher here since the end of May, and it's been having a very difficult time getting above that $145 mark. So tapped it once, tapped it twice, tapped it thrice, tapped it 4 times, and may or may not tap it again. But $145 seems like a very difficult level to break for GameStop right here. And I'm going to make this line even bigger, showing some massive resistance there. So we will keep an eye on that. It would be nice if that split comes out and breaks that resistance line there. But nonetheless, man, definitely holding up is a very significant level of resistance. Hey, no, what? No. Okay, thank you. We'll be in Sam Club for good to thank you. Okay, thank you. We'll be in Sam Club for good to thank you. Good deal, Sam. Sam should always join the Sam Club. Had a nice storm last night. I trashed the, oh man, Moji, you gotta clean it out this morning. That sounds terrible, dude. But you still got a pool, man. That's still pretty sweet there if you still got a pool. So very good on that one. But you know what? I don't think we've had too much rain lately. We need to get some more rain here for the grass. There's a lot of brown grass around here. But nonetheless, man, I hope that you get your pool cleaned out and you're able to use it this weekend. That would be amazing. No blushing. Never, Simonino. No blushing. Never. Let's see. It does seem like a very slow morning, though, guys. 27 people in here, a little less than usual. Don't know where you guys are all hiding out at. But seems like the QQQ may be breaking back down below that intraday level of support there. And we're going to have to see if this is a turnaround right now or not. We'll keep an eye on that because AMC and these stocks typically follow suit. If the NASDAQ is falling down a little bit, we typically have a little bit of a pullback in AMC, GameStop, and so on. But I'm actually impressed with the crypto market lately. I'm actually impressed with the crypto market over the last couple of days. Getting the inflation data out there and Bitcoin really holding up well. I mean, if we're looking at an hourly chart, we can see that since this inflation data was released, Bitcoin has been doing nothing but trending back higher. And same deal for Shiba Inu coin. Inflation data was released and Shiba Inu coin has been trending higher nicely. Ethereum trending higher nicely since the inflation data was released right here, coming back up from $1,000 per coin to $1,200 per coin. Sorry, did not 12x, but some decent gains along the time frame there. But we are still within this channel. If we go out, might be able to see it a little bit better on a 4-hour chart. We are still stuck in this channel right here, between like 22,000, 21,600, wherever you want to put it, and 19,000. Bitcoin has been bouncing back and forth in this area, and although it does seem like it's on its way back up to retest 21,600, I wouldn't get terribly excited that this is the beginning of a bull run. We had people excited back on this bounce right here, and yes, they're getting excited on this bounce right here as well. But we do know that this is a pretty strong level of resistance that has been holding up since falling through that $30,000 mark. So we're going to have to keep our eye on Bitcoin and on this level of resistance right here. If it's broken, I mean, but we could still run another 10% higher. So if you guys are trading it, just keep your eyes on that. But this channel here is still where I've got my it's where I've got my eye when looking at the overall cryptocurrency market. All right, so I don't know what you guys want to watch. You want to watch the market? You want to watch Bitcoin? What do you want to watch here in terms of on the bottom left? If you want to watch Bitcoin, we can watch Bitcoin. If you want to watch QQQ, we can watch QQQ, the NASDAQ. Got to see what you guys want to keep our eyes on here. Let's watch the NASDAQ and AMC, seeing if they're trading in tandem there. Let's go. Weekend starting early. Also, work's been messing with my vacation pay. Terrible. Finally got it worked out. Also, probably sold some Shiba for nothing now. It's all right, Chris. It's all right. At least you got it worked out, man. Like, California needs rain here. Yeah, Simon, do you listen? And I really don't know. I don't keep up on all that stuff. But every now and then, like, I'll read that you guys aren't allowed to water your lawns. I don't water my lawn anyway. I mean, we get plenty of rain for that. But, like, do you guys have limits on how much water you can use? That sounds rough to me, man. That sounds rough to me. Like, I get it. You guys got a very dry climate. But what does that look like? Do they shut you off? Do they charge you more if you go over certain thresholds? It's just because I've never had to experience anything like that. I don't know what that would look like, man. But yes, California, I think Nevada as well could definitely use some rain, man. I was reading a couple articles the other day that Nevada actually might be making they called it decorative grass, like outlawing decorative grass over the next couple of years so that people have to switch their lawns out for rocks or turf and so on. So it's kind of crazy to think that people wouldn't have grass in their yards. Rains like once a year. Well, raining once a year would be nice in theory, but yeah, dude, raining once a year is it's kind of bad news if you don't have any rain out there. Shib Soldier present, sir. Ben Martin, glad to have a part of the Shiba army in here. Ben, what's going on, man? Clay, when does your long need to be? Moji, like the second week of August, man. Second week of August. Good morning, Julia. Moji, good morning to you. Julia, good morning to you. And Julia says third. Yes, Julia's third, or much longer than third. I don't know. Hey, bro, will video be on vacation and we need bikini photo? Same demand. I'll try my best, man. I'll try my best. No limits on water use as of now, at least in my area, but we don't water our lawn that often. Maybe once or twice. Yeah, I really don't I never water my lawn, man. But hopefully, I don't know. I feel like a water limit would be strange to me, man. That'd be strange to me. I'm glad they're not limiting you guys out there, at least right now. Watch the video on a lake in Nevada. Lake Mead is drying up almost no water. Yeah, dude, I haven't seen any of that, but my dad tells me about that every once in a while. That is wild, dude. And is it just because it's so dry there? Like, what feeds that lake that it is literally drying up? Because I've heard of Lake Mead, and he talks about it drying up like that. But, man, I'm telling you, that has got to be something crazy to see happen there. Simoninho, always first and last, man. Read my previous to past message. Previous to past. Yeah, no limits. No limits on the water. That's what we're talking about. No limits on the water. I think I read that, right? Simoninho, that's the last one I see, man, is the no limits on water, and watch the video on Lake Mead. Those are the two I got there. What's up, bro? Hemi Life, what's going on, man? Elias, why you retracting messages, dude? Don't do it. NASDAQ bouncing back here a little bit, guys. 3 green candles in a row. I'm telling you, it does not want to go down today. Does not want to go down today. We've got QQQ up at 290.90 right now. NASDAQ bouncing back nicely here. AMC bouncing back right along with the NASDAQ. It does seem like we got some decent gains going on, so we'll watch those two play out almost to a T together. It's ridiculous, isn't it? Before that one. Hey, no, thank you. Clay, California needs never rains here. Yeah. Saw that. No blushing. Saw that. Simon, I think that's what I got, man. It rains like once a year here, and then hey, a no thank you here. Yeah, and no limits on water use. Those are the ones I got, man. I don't know if it's if it's YouTube blocking something or what, but those are the ones I see. I'm in North Carolina. I've been raining every day for the last 4 weeks. You guys can take some of it. Kenneth, isn't it crazy, man? Isn't it crazy how some states literally just desire rain and other ones it rains every day like that? It's actually been raining a little less than normal, I would say, in Ohio. But yeah, I feel you, man. I feel you. Some days or some periods, it's like, dude, it just never stops. Who would you recommend starting from a PC or a phone video? Elias, if you're talking about YouTube, man, I still do all of my videos from my phone, right? I still do all of my videos from my phone. I edit them from my phone. There's very little edits, okay? You guys could probably tell. The only thing that I do edit in the video is put a little cut and insert the intro, and then put a little cut and insert the outro. It's just a one take, single video. So that's the style that I prefer to do. But yeah, man, everything is from the phone. The only reason I'm on this PC right now is so that I can bring up the charts and go through and click up different websites and things like that. Otherwise, you can't put all that stuff on your phone if you're doing live streaming. But videos, dude, nah, man, I wouldn't even need a computer if I was doing videos. It's easier to do, it's easier to type descriptions and stuff like that on a computer. But as far as videos go, no, dude, do your phone. What's Yoda's potty training advice? A doo-doo or a doo-doo not do? Oh, but there is always poo. What? John Jay, what? I don't even know what. It said the Yosemite National Park fire could burn down trees that have been growing for... I didn't even know there was a fire going on over there, Chris. That would be terrible, man. 1,000-year-old trees, absolutely ridiculous. Can't wait to the bull. Kevin, man, I think I'm anticipating the bull run more than you are, man. As bad as you want it, I probably want it more. I want it so bad, dude. I want a bull run so bad. It's ridiculous. Buenos dias, my Clay. Buenos dias, my Juana. Good morning to you, Juana. I hope you're having a great day today. Thank you very much for being in here. I love it. Buenos dias, my Clay. Buenos dias, my Juana. Oh, I see YouTube now. Blocking chats from the mods. Oh my gosh. Dude, YouTube's great, man. What did you say, Simon? What did you say that YouTube won't even let it come through? My goodness. For YouTube, yeah, Elias, man. If you're talking about doing YouTube videos, I would just use your phone. I don't know what phone you got, dude, but all my videos are just from the front-facing camera on my Samsung Galaxy S20. And then InShot. Download InShot. It's very simple to, cut, put some transitions, add stickers, add text, depending on the level of editing that you want to do. You're a little bit more restricted than what you can do on a computer. Clearly, you can do a lot on a computer. But as far as if you're trying to make a simple video, dude, download InShot. Just use your computer, and honestly, if you want to buy a ring light to make videos, if you're going to be on screen, buy a ring light. If you don't want to buy a ring light, sit next to a window and just hope that the sun doesn't keep coming in and out and in and out, and get some good lighting that way. But honestly, man, I would not worry about super fancy expensive cameras or anything like that, dude. Or even you could buy a microphone for your phone if you want. But dude, I mean, if you think the quality of video on my YouTube channel is okay, everything is from the phone. Any hope or updates on Voyager? So Junior, I have not seen anything new since whatever it was several days ago. So no, I have no new hope or no new news on Voyager, but I will say I do have hope of recovering a portion of my coins on Voyager, and so should you. What that percentage is going to be, I don't know. Ideally, here's what I would like to see. I would like to see Voyager have some integrity, and I would like to see even if they can only give back 20% of the crypto, I would like to see the remaining 80% be paid back in either VGX coin or VGX stock. They should not allow us to take that hit, especially if they can just mint new coins or if they can make us whole with VGX. I think that would show a lot of integrity. They at that point, they would admit that they made a mistake. They give you, let's say, 20% of your Bitcoin back or whatever you had, 20% of your Shiba Inu coin back, whatever you had, and then the remaining 80% or the rest of that 100% would be paid back in VGX. I believe that would be the most optimistic for them. Honestly, if they did that, I really don't know if I would have if I'd have trouble using them in the future. If they said, look, we clearly made a mistake, we over leveraged with 3 Arrows Capital, we will be making you whole, even though it's going to hit us, even though it's going to hit our VGX token, even though it's going to hit our common stock, we will make you whole by issuing that to you. That to me would show a lot of integrity, and that's the best that I can hope for. Worst is that they come out and say, screw you, here's 20% of your coins, this is all we could collect from 3 Arrows Capital, so it's all you're going to get. That would be terrible in my opinion, and I would have a very difficult time supporting them in the future. If they made us whole, it's something that I could consider. Let's see. Sam, YouTube blocked my message because I had the word booty. No, Simon. Sam, too, if he doesn't see it in chat, it's true. If I rarely ignore a chat. Like, I might read something that, like, I just went back up and read Buenos Dias from Felix, man. Buenos Dias to you as well, Phoenix. But I might read something that's just like a spam. If somebody's in there reading a spam, and I technically would ignore that. But no, guys, I promise I will never just ignore a chat. You should, if you can't tell the difference between our live streams and some of the other live streams that are out there, man, go watch a couple other ones. They will either ignore your chat or miss it. But no, I will never try to do that. Wait, bro, question. Do you still believe in crypto? What's to stop Coinbase from pumping up crypto and then filing for bankruptcy and taking everyone's money? Nothing is to stop them from doing that, JJ. Nothing is to stop them from doing that. Do I believe in crypto? Yes, I still believe in crypto, but here's where I'm at. If all of these centralized exchanges did end up screwing everybody over, okay? Let's say that Coinbase with 90 million customers ends up screwing everybody over and filing bankruptcy and so on and saying that they're not going to make you whole. At that point, I still believe in the original intent of cryptocurrency, that it can be used as a completely decentralized currency that you can have transactions on, and that the ledger is out there as a public ledger that is verified and secure. Now, whether or not that means Bitcoin's trading at $1 or Bitcoin's trading at $10 and so on is going to be determined as time moves on. So, do I believe in crypto as an investment? I believe these centralized exchanges are either going to ruin that or solidify that here over the short term. So we will see what happens and what develops there. But I absolutely still believe in crypto as a form of a currency that is completely detached from any sovereign entity. Let's see. So, you watch Mon, have you not checked out CNN? No, I have actually not looked at CNN. We can look at that in a second. Click! Spicy, coming live by Wednesday, Amazon says. You'll be throwing flames out your... Oh, God. All right, Simon, perfect, man. That's exactly what I want to do. Am I going to be eating it on stream then? I would assume I'm going to be eating that on stream, correct? Oh God, this is going to be dangerous, Simon. I don't want to be throwing flames out of my booty, man. Come on now. Let's see. Oh, Ivana never ignores anybody. Blocker check. Become a broette at. There you go, Moji. Become a bro, guys. Get that green name and make sure to click the subscribe button at the least. Why don't any mods handle the lightweights are really annoying? I don't know, man. One idiot won't make or break Clay. Never. Nobody's gonna make or break me. My gosh, come on. Who shredder hoop? Have a great day, Tim. Do it, Tim. Are you leaving? Hey, everybody just popped in, hit the like button. Got to get back to work. See you all this afternoon. Tim, enjoy your work day, man. Don't work too hard for sure, but enjoy your work day and then come back in the afternoon and enjoy the afternoon with us. JJ, see the message at the very top of the chat? Clay bro skipped over me. Never! John J, man, you killing me. You talking about Zam Shredder? That's a $5 buster. Let's get it, man. Clay, why is everyone gotten off the NFTs jock? Simple as having short attention spans. Everyone else going on or no new. Everything else going. So I think it's a common. I think it's a combination of those things. Not necessarily the short attention spans, but that can play into it because NFTs are still very new and being figured out. So they're going to have a little bit more risk than some of these other assets. Even cryptocurrency in general, they're going to be more risky than crypto. But I still see a lot of interest in major NFT projects. I was reading an article, I think yesterday, that a cyberpunk or CryptoPunk, whatever they are, sold for $2.5 million during this bear market. It's still sold for that. So there's still a major interest in the major NFT projects. But what you're seeing is a lot of NFTs that are free to mint. And they could turn into something, man. They could absolutely turn into something. So the attention span kind of correlates with the, I guess, newness of the NFTs and how many NFTs are being developed, right? As soon as you introduce a million different NFT projects, it's kind of hard to want to participate in any of them other than some of the major ones or something you're extremely interested in. Now, everything else going on, yes, I do think that everything else going on is causing a lot of people to just not want to look at investing at all. And in no news, maybe, but you know, like I did see that article, I think it was yesterday or the day before, that cyber or CryptoPunk, whatever it is, sold for $2.5 million. So there's still news surrounding NFTs. JJ! I just had to. Is it Pika or is it the Petey Pete, man? We'll make it both. El Petey Petey. Oh, we gotta go big. El Petey Petey. El Petey Petey. El Petey 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 Pete's. A Petey 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 Pete's. A JJJJ. A JJJJ. A JJJJJJ. A JJJJJJ. La Pika Pika. La Pika Pika. La Pika 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 Pika. La Pika 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 Pika. LJJJJ. A JJJJ. LJJJJJJ. LJJJJJJ. JJ, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. That is by far one of the best ones. If you guys do that, I guarantee you're gonna have a better morning. I guarantee you will. You can't do that. You can't do that super sticker there and like not smile while you're doing it, man. Yes, eat it live and record it. Oh my God, Simon, you're making me nervous, man. You're making me nervous. Dude, it's probably not even going to be hot. Dude, I'm probably going to put it in my mouth and just chew that bad boy up and go on. Easy as that. TGIF, Clowny, heck yeah. 11 assignment, it's me, Sim Demand, number 2, heck yeah. JJ just had to, gotcha. Elias, hey bro, I put my dream together to make videos. Good deal, man. Good deal. Elias, just get started, dude. Just get started. If you guys do want to make YouTube videos, look, I give you advice. Just do it. You're going to learn by doing it and try to rank in search. Simple as that, man. Try to rank in search. I'll try to, but my God, good shredder, good adios, amigos. See you later. Felix, enjoy your day, man. Thank you for hanging out with us this morning. My 7-year-old was singing Petey Pete with you. Perfect. Keith, I love it, man. Shout out to your 7-year-old. The Petey Petey, El Petey Petey. Oh, yes, man. I've tried it before. Not that bad. 521. You talking the gummy or are you talking the Petey Pete, man? Because the Petey Pete is great. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, a Pika 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 Pika. Yes, 17 you already knows what it is, man. Guys, we got AMC trying to bounce back a little bit as the NASDAQ is trying to bounce back a little bit. We've got AMC sitting up 0.25%, NASDAQ sitting up 1.27%. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1078 right now, up 1.75%. GameStop sitting at 137.50 right now, BR Therapeutics back down into the red on this nice red candle here, down 0.68% at the moment. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all higher on the day, but they do seem to be coming back down since this morning. So dropping off over the last couple of hours. Bitcoin going from 21,000 down to 20,700. We've got Sundial sitting at 31.80 at the moment, down 3.5%. Mullen Auto, $1.09, barcoding back and forth between $1.08 and $1.09. We've got CEI sitting at 37 cents, up about 5% on the day. Not a bad gain on the day for there. We've got the SPY trying to post some red lines, green lines, red line, green lines. Might be curling back over here, but the overall trend of the day is up there. 383.91 right now. BBIG sitting at $1.06. Highcroft Mining, $1, barcoding back and forth between $1 and $1.01. Netflix still up 5.5% on the day. Nice gains on Netflix, $184.80. Redbox sitting at $4.29, down 8.72%. Clovis, $2.20, boxed, sitting at $1.76 right now. Revlon sitting at $5.80. Luna Classic, 10,500 points per coin. And the QQQ posting a couple green lines here, bringing it back from 289.90 to 290.30 at the moment. Another green line on there. So we can come down and watch the NASDAQ roll around here. But it does seem like it is bouncing back up right now with some solid gains. And I would imagine AMC is going to be posting a green line here too, as long as this line continues to be green. That's exactly what we're seeing. A gummy, gotcha. Not that bad. We'll find out, man. I'll probably start crying in front of all you guys. Isn't the market in some recovery? Noise. Doise. Yes, the market is in a little bit of a bounce right now. So if we do look at the daily chart on the NASDAQ, we can see that over the last couple of weeks, we have been experiencing some major volatility, bouncing off the low, or the recent low, of 10,500 points. It bounced all the way up to 11,600, 11,700, and then since came back down, bounced back up, came back down to the same level, and it's on its way back up right now. So yes, it is in some sort of a recovery. Whether or not it is channeling in this area right here and will begin to fall from where we're at, even maybe we go all the way back up to 11.6. I don't know exactly where we're going to go before we fall. There's a little intraday resistance right here at this level, and that's exactly where we're at right now. So we could absolutely start to curl back over here and fall down, or we could go all the way back up. It's kind of right in the middle of this channel. So it's going to be interesting to see which direction we go. But, as of right now, the last couple of days have been very nice to the NASDAQ and the overall market. So we're going to see how that plays out, man. Shiba Inu coin putting some green or purple lines on the chart right now. Dear Majestic Abel, will Coinbase go under? Now that is a good question, Kalani. That is a good question. Man, I couldn't even breathe after chugging a gallon of milk. It just kept getting worse. Oh my God, Simon, why would you want to do that to me, man? Dear Majestic Abel, will Coinbase go under? This is from Kalani and from me. Well, the Magic 8-Ball sources say no, okay? I don't know why you can't see it, man. Just focus. My sources say no. I don't know why you can't see it. Magic 8-Ball sources say no, that Coinbase is actually not going to go under. So we will have to see how that plays out, man. But Magic 8-Ball might have some good sources. Might have some bad sources though too, so rely on it at your own regard. Let's see. The Central Electric stock price fell by 0.62% on the last day, Thursday, 14th July 2022, from $1.62 to $1.61. Used to be Naked Brand, is now EV car company. Get in early. We talking about CNN right now, Kenneth. Is that what we're talking about? Very good, man. Very good. If you guys are interested in electric vehicles, you can check out CNN. One from Amazon, the 1 million S unit, if that's the one you sent. Oh, God, man. This is going to... You guys are making me scared. I'm telling you right now, you're making me scared. I'm going to go see if the Haribo Gummy Factory does tours for the public. Well, Shredder, Let us know, because I've never looked into that in my entire life. Asking for Pico, what would the combination strawberry ice cream super sticker and a hot dog super sticker with a side of lick and stick together? It could explode the live stream to 200 likes instantly. Or it could drop the viewers from 62, which is very low, down to 22 in a very fast matter. What do you think of Xenu at these prices? I have no idea what Xenu is. Or are you talking Zombie Inu? You talking Zombie Inu, man? I'm not a big fan of all of the other meme coins, like Zombie Inu and Dogelon Mars and Flokemon Inu and all of these other coins. Just be careful if you guys are investing in those. Obviously, the entire crypto market is down right now. So if it's Zombie Inu, that's what you're talking about. Even if it does appear very low, it can go lower. But if we start a bull run, man, yeah, I would imagine it's going to be doing pretty well. John Jay, that would turn Clay into an exhausted kitty. And we don't want to do that, man. We don't want to be exhausted ever. Me and Pika already going dancing. Nice, Cornetto. No. Spreading fun here. Pika dancing with me. No. We're doing that. Oh, Pika, la Pika Pika, la Pika Pika, la Pika Pika Pika. You're all dancing with me, man. Moji, driving to Michigan. No need to explain why. I like it, man. Yes, Zombie Inu. Yeah, Kevin, man. I've never been too interested in a lot of the other meme coins that are out there. So if you're looking at buying Zombie Inu, if you're looking at investing in it at these levels, just know the entire crypto market is down. So it is probably looking very cheap right now. But as far as let's just look at it real quick, because I don't know what it looks like. Very low market cap, man. Very low market cap. So Zombie Inu sitting on a $4 million market cap right now. Back down to the prices that it introed at way back in October, November of 2021. Shot up drastically. I don't even know, I'm not even going to sit here and do the math and count all these zeros and see how far it went up. Dude, it looks like at least a 10 to 100x, maybe 1,000x gain. I don't even know what it was right here. But that's some massive gains. And the overall crypto market since then has been getting beat to death. So at these prices, yes, it does look cheap. If you pull up Shiba Inu coin, you can see a very similar pattern over the same time frame, right? We can see sitting down here, 600, 700 points per coin, shooting way up to 8,800 points per coin, and since then has been trending lower to where we are right now. So very similar action from Shiba Inu coin and Zombie Inu. I don't know the price difference. I don't know if it's already lost 90, 99%. I don't know what the price difference is there, but it's typical performance of the crypto market right now. It's typical performance of the crypto market. So if it is something that you believe is going to rebound, and you believe the Zombie Inu community is still going to be around and growing after the bear market is done, then yeah, man, you can make some gains. If you think the community's kind of weak and you think the desire for meme coins is only going to be focused on the large main meme coins, then I would stick to main meme coins like Doge and Shiba and higher market cap meme coins. But let's go. No, we want Weeble back. We want Weeble back. Gotcha. Very nice. Stacks Ape Nation. What's going on, man? On set. Gotcha, man. Oh, man, I can't lift it up any higher. Phone's plugged in. On set right here. Oh, and we got another one. Look. Oh, yeah. How many monitors do we have? Crazy. Thank you very much for the super stickers, Stacks Ape Nation. Bobby, my boy. He says, Clay, my son. I've got you, Bobby. I've got you. Where we at? We got to go main. Thank you very much, Bobby. Really appreciate that super sticker. I know that's Bobby's favorite super sticker, though, man. That's the one he always sends. Thank you very much, Bobby. Really appreciate that. And StackSafe Nation appreciates you as well, man, for the on-set look of what we got going on in this big old dark room right here. Pictures all the bros dancing like Gumbies around Pika. I don't know how Gumby dances, man. How does Gumby dance? Now I need to know. Pika got me. Yeah, Pika all over. Something I haven't decided. You two have to have a dance-off. I would choose the winner. I like it. StackSafe Nation, man. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Guys, you know what StackSafe Nation said? Click that like button. Listen to StackSafe Nation and click that like button. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to give you guys like 30 seconds. I have not looked at the ads at all yet, this live stream. If we have less than 50 likes with 76 people in here, you're getting an ad. I'm going to tell you that right now. Click the like button. Because in 30 seconds, if we don't have 50 plus likes, I'm giving you guys an ad. You're going to have to watch it. You're going to have to watch it. It's just the way it is, man. When is the next Fed release? Bronson, not this coming Wednesday, but the following Wednesday. I believe the date is July 27th. So not Wednesday, but the following Wednesday. July 27th is correct, right? Is that the Wednesday? Yes, July 27th, man. We got next Wednesday is the 20th, and the following Wednesday is the 27th. Runs for the door. Never run for the door. Stay here. Stay here. What did Chris say, man? I didn't even see Chris anywhere. I didn't even see what Chris said. Use it for lunch. You might get a pea. Could you spare a pea, sir? Could you spare a pea for me to eat for lunch, please? Thank you. Bobby, man, thank you very much. Just got here. Don't give me an ad. Bronson, I'm going to look. It's 30 seconds. It's 30 seconds. Okay, after JJ's super chat here. I got you, man. Oh, man, what's the... we just got a letter, we just got a letter, we just got a letter, wonder who it's from. JJ, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. That is actually a good one. I like that one, JJ. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that super sticker. It's a fun one. JJ, thank you very much. Now it's ads. I gotta look, man. 50 likes? Nope. We're going ads. 50 likes. We're going ads. I'm telling you right now. We're going ads. You're getting 50 likes. I'm telling you right now. We're going ads. What do we got? 47. Lame. Throwing the ads on there. Throwing the ads on there, man. 47. You guys got an ad. You guys got an ad. Only me and Chris. Let's go, man. Only me and Chris. Give all the ads. I got YouTube red. Hemi Life. There you go, dude. There you go. I threw an ad on there. Did anybody get it? Because you guys were super lame, and only 3 of you guys needed to click the like button. And you didn't do it. You didn't do it. No ads for this guy. YouTube red. I like it. The YouTube red guys, I thank you in advance, because I'm pretty sure... if you guys watch my stuff, I might even get a penny out of that the YouTube Premium or YouTube Red or whatever it's called. I think I get a penny out of that. So thank you guys for having YouTube Red. Amazing. Amazing. I love it. Let's see. YouTube Premium, baby. Man, you guys are all on Premium. I love it. It's like 3 cents. I know I'm making right there. You guys are cool. I would like the Devil's Advocate to be summoned at this point. Me too. 50, 52, 54. I didn't get an ad. I have YouTube. Everybody's got YouTube. I did click ad. I don't know if anybody got an ad, but I did click add an ad in there. Apparently nobody's getting ads though. Smash the like button. Wonder what happens. Does it take a like away? Asking for one on social. Yes, if you re-smash the like button, it takes the like away. So if you have already clicked like, please do not click like again, because it will unlike it at that point. No ad for AMC Trapper either. Kalani didn't get an ad. Man. If nobody got an ad, you guys are going to make me click the ad button again if nobody got it. My gosh, what the heck is going on? YouTube's supposed to add an ad in there. Bro, what's up with Luna? Thanks again. Michael. Almost like Michael Bublé, man. Budulanovich. Michael Budulanovich. Yeah, Michael Budulanovich. What is going on with Terra Luna Classic? Terra Luna Classic, over the last minute, bouncing off this 10,200 point per coin low, was above 11,000 points per coin earlier today, and currently sitting right here at 10,500 points per coin. Dude, it's very difficult to see a longer term graph of Terra Luna Classic, but we are back above this level of support here, and using it as a level of support now, which I do like to see. I don't know. Okay, so we've got this one. It's real tough to scroll out because once you start, it can really mess the chart up fast. Yeah, like this. Okay, you got to scroll out slow here. Okay, so we got our lines here. This is where we're going. This is my Terra Luna Classic chart, man. We're right back down here testing this level of support at the moment. I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to move this chart here. Otherwise, it's going to get all funky again. We're retesting this level of support. If we can get a catalyst to move us up to the next level of resistance, next major level of resistance, we do have some resistance in this area right in here and right in here. But next major level of resistance is the $15,000, $16,000 range that we tested as it was running a couple of weeks ago. If we break that, dude, if we can get above this level right here, it is going to be phenomenal. Why do I say that? Because if people are strictly trading on a technical basis, if we break that level, we are not, watch, it's going to move really fast here. You can't even see it. You can't, it's going to jump. We're going to be able to jump up so high, so fast that it's not even going to be funny. So we're still doing very well, holding up at this level of support, but I would like to see a retest of this and hopefully a bounce back up to the 22,000 point per coin range. I think that would be incredible to see 22,000 points per coin being tested again. Oh man, people should and would be excited if that were the case. What is the ad? Boom, bro, for life. I like it, Stacks. I like it. Dan, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Dan says, no, left and rejoin the live stream. No ad for me. Andrew, well, I guess that works for you. Do Fed interest rate hikes affect both the crypto market and the stock market, or just crypto? The crypto world is hard to predict sometimes. So, Dan, it's supposed to affect both, okay? Let's see. We have... So let me show you an hourly chart here. This is on the QQQ. Where was it? No, not 10:30. It might have actually been there. I think it might have actually been here. Because what's it say right now? 13:30. No, I think that's correct. Okay, so I'm not seeing extended hours here. Oh, that's the NASDAQ, that's why. So if you look here, this is the stock market. This is a representation of the NASDAQ here. And you can see that inflation rates were released at 8:30 a.m. and boom, it shot down. One, because inflation came in much higher than expected, but two, because a higher inflation rate means that we could expect higher interest rates as well. So it does affect the stock market. If you pull up Bitcoin, same time frame, you can see exactly right here. Inflation rate released, boom, shot down on that 30-minute candle. And I mean, it has been recovering ever since. But inflation rates released and bad inflation shot the crypto down because interest rates are expected to go up to combat the higher inflation there. So it does affect both the stock market and the crypto market in the same way. Stock and cryptocurrencies are both considered to be risky assets. If interest rates are going up, we should expect stocks and crypto to go down. If interest rates are going up, things like bonds will go up, and you're going to be able to earn more there. So that's kind of the alternative. If interest rates are rising, safe assets like bonds should technically rise, and risky assets like stocks and crypto should fall. Now, I say should, but they don't necessarily have to. Not everybody always reacts logically, okay? That's the main thing we need to keep in mind. Not everybody is always correct in the way they respond. We had this drastic inflation data here, and as you can see, it only took a few hours and several hours. It took about a day, several hours, and we're well above where we were. So that bad news has already been, I guess, overtaken by the crypto market. So interesting to see that happen, but we don't always have to see it react correctly or react logically. 1 minute, watching 1 minute candles go down. Seems like we got some new intraday support right here in this area. We're gonna have to watch and see if this area right here gets broken or holds up on the QQQ. Do it, I dare you, Clay. Sorry, I gotta deal with the peak power. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Let's see. Sup, bro? Is it a good assumption the crypto market will drop again in 2 weeks? Andrew, I think you might be talking about interest rates being released in 2 weeks. So yes, it's a decent assumption if you believe that the Fed is going to raise interest rates potentially at a level that is higher than what's already priced in. And if they do that and the market reacts correctly or logically, then yes, it is a decent assumption that the crypto market will go down when the inflation, or the interest rates, not inflation, we just had inflation, when the interest rates are released by the Federal Reserve. Now, Jerome Powell can come in during his press conference and he can either talk very positively about the economy or he can talk very negatively. I would imagine we are not only going to transition from interest rates being the main focus, but we are soon going to transition into a recession being the main focus. And when people start throwing around recession and start talking about how bad the recession can be, I think that things can get even worse than they are right now. So I put 2,500 with a Shib on Pinex trading bot. This thing, it trades like crazy. Hope I'm helping the burn with the amount of buying and selling this bot does. Kenneth, man, is it working out? Is it working out, or what's it doing? 1 billion, Shib future million. Like it, Kevin. Pika is our bro. Pika is a bro, man. Hey, bro, remember the 80s workout headbands? Can I create a headband that reads Pika approved? Would you rock it on a live stream? Probably. Why not, man? Why not? I rock a crown on the live stream. I'm wondering why I haven't seen any kings of chat lately. Interesting. Pika crowns him. Hey, bro, why message won't work for me now? Thank you. Hey, Sam Demand, it does seem to be working. Been a little busy lately. I got a building project at Epcot. Starting in this submittals process is mind screwy. My gosh, Vecna. That sounds like it's tough, dude. It sounds like a big project, man. Is it? Hopefully it works out for you. That sounds crazy. Saw your message, bro. Yeah, I see it. I see that one for sure. If I send you money on here to buy Tectonic, will you buy it? Yeah, Hemi Life, maybe. Look. Let me put it this way, dude. I am still not convinced that now is the best time to buy crypto. So if you want to buy it and you really want to use it for Tectonic, I say you just go ahead and buy the Tectonic. But if you absolutely want me to buy some Tectonic, I will buy some Tectonic. But yeah, I still think we got some dark times for crypto. Gotta go, Clay. Have a great day. Bobby, you enjoy your day as well, man. Okay, messages now work. Yes, they do. It is time for your suffering. Oh, no. This reminds me of Pika. Do you know Shinedown has a new album? Nope. We are getting a nice bounce in the the QQQ here. Seems like the NASDAQ would be bouncing up as well. Yes, it is. AMC could probably expect a green candle right here as the NASDAQ is bouncing higher. We had some intraday levels of support in this area right here. It seems like it has been bouncing off, and we're going to go retest this level at 11,004 potentially before we might get hit on the bottom end of these candles right here. So we're going to have to see how that plays out. But NASDAQ moving up a little bit at the moment. Buy Tectonic. Harris says, do it. Do it. I really think that this kind of the calm before the storm with a slight rise in the market. I mean, dude, that's kind of what I'm seeing right now, too. Look, NASDAQ is doing well today. The SPY is doing well today. Things are up today. Crypto is up today. But we're coming off a very terrible inflation release. Inflation is at 9.1%, guys. And it's higher across the globe. If you go into Europe, if you go into South America, if you go to these other countries, inflation is 12+%. And that is drastic. It's very strange to me that we can see this type of strength knowing everything that is facing the market. I had 1 billion of it. Go buy Tectonic, bro. Hemi Life. All right, man. I'm going to look into it, and I'll look at grabbing some there. Thank you very much, Hemi Life. Really appreciate that. I will look into getting some Tectonic then. And Dan, thank you very much for the super chat. Dan says, can I ask, why do people see Bitcoin as a future of money when the same people are looking to sell the Bitcoin into fiat? You can't buy food with Bitcoin, so why do people see value in it, not FUD? Yeah, it's not FUD, man, and that's the major difference. So some people do see Bitcoin as a future currency. And those people aren't necessarily the ones that are valuing Bitcoin against the US dollar. Those people are the ones that see the US dollar potentially collapsing. And how does that happen? If we continue to print money like it doesn't matter, if we continue to just give everybody free money, if the United States ends up falling as a nation or defaulting on its debt or something along those lines, it could end up being a currency like Venezuela or Turkey, where inflation just takes over and it's worth very little. Now, there's also a use for cryptocurrency in Bitcoin that is more efficient than the current US dollar. Every transaction in Bitcoin is tracked and traced and permanently declared on a public ledger. That is not what we have with the U.S. dollar. Any given point in time, the bank can reverse transactions. They can control transactions. Any given time, I can hand you a dollar bill and nobody's ever going to know about it. There's a lot that fiat currency doesn't do that Bitcoin does do. And those people that believe that Bitcoin is the future of money and the future of currency only view it as Bitcoin to Bitcoin transactions, simply blockchain transactions, and not necessarily Bitcoin is growing in value against the US dollar. So they don't necessarily view it as an investment, they view it as a currency itself. And the NASDAQ bouncing back up, guys. We are sitting back up here above this little intraday level of resistance now. It seems like we might be moving back up to the upside and curling back over. It tried twice to break down through, and it seems like we got a nice little rise here, so we may not see a further downturn in the NASDAQ, and we might watch AMC creep back up towards the end of the day here. So very interesting action that we got going on, and we are watching the QQQ do the exact same thing, creeping back up to this little level right in here. And whether or not it breaks through and moves up back up to 291, we will soon find out, but it does seem like it is moving strong to the upside. Well, 5 billion Tectonic. Harris, nice, man. Let's go. Yes, it trades 24/7. The grid bot and rebalancing bot works great for daily income. I hold a lot in cold storage, but for ease of income, now as things trade up and down and sideways. Hey, Kenneth, very good, man. Adele Apero now, but the suffering zone. What? I don't even know what's happening. That's what I was thinking. I thought the market would be more affected by that high inflation. Quentin, me too, man. Me too. I really did. It recovered way too quick, in my opinion. Everyone should be using the Pinex bot just to make a little knot and a holding. Wait a minute. Hey, Kenneth, if it works, man. Some trading bots do very well. Some trading bots do not do very well. I guess it all depends on I guess what the settings are and the market conditions. There's only 5.5% sales tax out here now. Vecna, that's awesome. You're in Florida. It's my hometown. We try to go to all the parks during the year, especially a city walk. Very nice, Shredda. Which chart tools program is this? Fat Tyson Apostle. It is Weeble. You are looking at Weeble in the background right now. Has anyone able to withdraw their crypto from Coinbase? Rebecca, I just have free crypto on Coinbase. I have not tried to withdraw anything from Coinbase. Bro, when the bull market hits, I'm moving back to Alaska. Dark matter. I've never been to Alaska in my entire life, but it does sound like something that... Alaska sounds like a beautiful place. I've seen some stuff on there. Not easy to get to, right? But Alaska sounds like a beautiful place, and I hope you get to it, man. If that's your dream, I hope you achieve it. But all three Toy Story attractions. What? Vecna, you built all 3 Toy Story attractions. That is wild, dude. I've actually been to one of those. I was like, what, 2017 when it first opened? I'm in Wisconsin for business at the moment. I've also been to Wisconsin only one time in my life. Shredda, very nice, man. Are you enjoying it? How long are you there for? Hopefully not very long. Sam, you've been timed out. We see your messages. Calm down. Calm down. I didn't even see what he said. Sam, it's all right, man. We're going to be good. Promise we're going to be good. QQQ sitting at 290.60 at the moment. Does seem like it wants to break back above this little resistance level on the day here and shoot higher. AMC sitting at 15.13 right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 10.76 of 1% on the day. GameStop 137.87 still green on the day as well. NASDAQ moving on higher along with the QQQ there. Pure Therapeutics back into the green, 71 cents. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all green at the moment. Sundial still in the red, man. Sundial's been sitting in the red all day today, down 2.5% at the moment. Mullen Auto, $1.08, been barcoding between, $1.09 and $1.08 all day long today. CEI up 3.5%, sitting at 37 cents. The SPY, 383.98, rolling higher along with the QQQ and the NASDAQ there. BBIG sitting at $1.05. Highcroft Mining sitting at $1.01. Netflix sitting at $185.90. Redbox down to $4.30, man. Having a very difficult day. Down about between 8 and 9% on the day. Clovis sitting at $2.19, down 3.5%. Box to $1.82, trying to bounce back off the $1.73 lows, coming up to $1.85. Currently sitting at $1.82, down about 0.5% on the day. And we've got Revlon back in the green today, sitting at $5.83. Luna Classic sitting at 10,500 points per coin, bouncing back as well. So let's sit here and see how the market plays out in the next couple of minutes as we get ready to end the live stream here. I might just keep Sam, and it's all right. Never let the man breathe. Let the man breathe. As long as it takes. A wife is a travel nurse, not sure where to next. Shredda, that's got to be crazy, man. Big bucks, Shredda. I did that for years. Nice, Moji. Nice. Got to be stressful, though, traveling all the time, right? Clay, loading. Do you have any updated information on Voyager? I'm very confused about the whole restructuring. So, Manuel, I do not have any new information that I didn't have a couple of days ago. The latest that we've seen, they are, obviously everything's frozen, right? And they are looking to recover as much as possible from Three Arrows Capital. I think Three Arrows owes them like $650 million. Now, I don't know how much they're going to be able to recover from Three Arrows Capital. Let's say they can recover all $600 million. That would be great. Now, from there, what the bankruptcy proceedings are going to determine is how much of our money we get back. You would think that if you own one Bitcoin, you'll be getting one Bitcoin back. But since they loaned your Bitcoin out and the lenders are not paying them back, they don't want to pay you back. They considered that Bitcoin that you deposited a loan to them in which they turned around and loaned out. Now, it is not their risk. It is your risk. So what they're saying is we trusted them with our money, loaning it to them to do whatever they wanted with, and if they lost it all, it falls on us, not on them. So worst case scenario, I see them giving a portion of our crypto back. Best case scenario, maybe they give you a tenth of a Bitcoin back, but they give you the remaining 90% in VGX token. They will have a choice to make us whole or to leave us, I guess, high and dry. And they have not declared what they are going to do yet in terms of how much money we can expect returned to us. But it is, it's a crazy situation that they would even consider their customers lenders like they're doing. Was in Georgia all last year, only 8-hour drive back at that time. Yeah, it's not terrible. Wisconsin is very different, though. Wisconsin is a long way away from Florida, man. Rebecca Hunt, I was put on a 72-hour hold a week ago with Coinbase while moving Shib to cold storage. Oh, yeah. Why, man? Why? It's our money. Why are they putting it on hold? Thank you, Clay. Now that explains it better. Amazing. Well, Manuel, and I'm hoping for the best, man. I'm hoping for the best. I just know what they're trying to do, and they're trying to take no responsibility themselves, and they're trying to give us the short end of the stick, or however you want to word it, man. Kenneth, are you off the hold now? Yeah, Kenneth, were you able to recover your Shiba Inu coin there? All right, you put me out for a question. Won't send to. No, Sam Demand, man. I don't put anybody out. I never put anybody out. Is there a small possible chance we get the full amount back? So yes, Junior, I do think that there is a small chance that we get everything back on Voyager. What does that look like, though? I highly doubt that they are going to give us 100% of the crypto back. So, like, the vast majority of mine was in USDC. I highly doubt that I get all of my money back in USDC. Best case scenario, maybe 50% USDC, and they come in and say, okay, we realize we only gave you guys 50% of your cryptocurrency back. We're going to give you the other 50% in VGX, or Voyager token. So there is a chance that they do make us whole. I just don't know how committed they are to doing that. They can do that. They can print new VGX anytime they want. They could absolutely make us whole if they wanted to. We just have to figure out whether or not they want to. Squash him like a bug. Don't squash anybody, man. Come on now, guys. How many likes do we have? What are we sitting on here? We have, man, the NASDAQ still moving much higher now, and it is going to be breaking out of that resistance line and moving higher into the afternoon here. AMC sitting on 3 solid green candles of exactly the same size here. Very interesting that AMC trading between 15.15 and 15.14 with these exact same size green candles here. But we've got 71 likes, guys. Don't forget to click the like button on the stream. Please click the like button. We're sitting at 71 right now. I know you could easily get it to 100. All you gotta do is click that like button. All you gotta do is click the thumbs up. That's all you gotta do. Thank you for doing it and making me stop saying. I really appreciate that. But little recap, guys, into the close here. Well, into the end of the live stream. We've got AMC sitting at 15.15, trading back and forth between there that we were just talking about. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 10.76. GameStop 137.60 at the moment, still up 1% on the day. The NASDAQ trying its best to bounce back and continue moving higher today. GameStop, BR Therapeutics sitting at 71 cents. AMC, like we said, Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin are all in the green on the day after giving back some of the gains that they had earlier. Sundial still sits down 2.5% on the day. Mullen Auto sitting at $1.08, barcoding all day between $1.08 and $1.09. CEI sitting at 37 cents. The SPY sitting at 383, up 1.5%. BBIG sitting at $1.05 right now, barcoding between $1.05 and $1.06. Hycroft Mining sitting at $1.02, trying to break back up out of this barcode right here, and is up 3.5% on the day. Netflix up 7%, man. Netflix has been doing very well today, sitting at $187.74. Redbox sitting at $4.29, still down 8.5% on the day. Clovis $2.18 right now. Clovis actually coming back down to where we got out at $2.15. So Clovis trying to sit here at $2.15. That is where we exited the trade a couple of weeks ago. Box sitting at $1.83, back in the green on the day, up 0.27%, just above break even. Revlon sitting at 584, up 0.5%. Luna Classic still sitting at 10.5 right now. And the QQQ trying its best to break up or break down, still sitting in this channel, this intraday channel here at 290.54 at the moment. So we're going to have to see what takes place there. But a very volatile morning turning into a very subdued afternoon here. But, guys, it is 1 o'clock, so get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon, man. Appreciate everybody being in here. Click the like button if you haven't done it already. Really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you very much for the super chats, the likes, hanging out in the stream, talking, all the great questions. But we will do these shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon. Moji, man, shout-out to you. Sam Demand number 2, Junior, Vecna, 11 on the Simon, Kenneth, Sam Demand, Shredder, Vecna, Elliot, see you later, Kenneth, Moji, Juana, Silva, Mike Lay, Tengus, boom, un hermoso dia. Oh my gosh, my Spanish is terrible, Juana. You too. You too. Have a wonderful or have a beautiful day, Juana. Thank you very much. I can read it. I just can't say it. Juana, thank you very much. Really appreciate you. Shredda, see you later, man. Moji, Dark Matter, Justin, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes and the Shiba army. Stacks Ape Nation, Mr. Simon, Frodo, see you later as well. Tech, see you later. Master is a 1 o'clock. It is Simon Eno. See you later, man. DD214, enjoy your afternoon. And no problem, man. Thank you for being in here. Elias, see you later. Hemi Life, see you later. Let's see. Okay, I will. Hemi Life, thank you very much. Really appreciate that super sticker. Really appreciate the Tectonic. We'll put it that way. Bob, see you later. John James, Vecna, you're all about to enter this offering. No! Vecna, all of you guys, enjoy your afternoon. And you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.